Good morning, guys. Morena. Now today, we're going to be doing more handles than Kyrie today. We're gonna look at here, carving out the handle today. But a hello to Dizen, Omega, Lightning. We've got Mickey, Henry, Barris, Dairy Pack. Dairy Pack, you're about 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 8th in the chat. What's up, everyone on YouTube as well? Hello to Joseph and Volda and also Manush. Good morning, and Jim as well. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are we doing? It is a Monday here in Aotearoa, New Zealand. It is a Monday here today. But how are we all doing? Yes, I want to be doing this handle today. I want to start shaping it out. That's the plan for today. I couldn't find my rasp though, because I wanted to carve it with a rasp or shape it. So we might have to use a chisel today. Yo, Jellyfinger, thank you for the 14 months, my bro. Getting us started for the day, brother. Much appreciated, my bro. Jellyfinger, appreciate that, my brother. Church was good yesterday. Oh, nice. Yeah, we did a bit of a cheeky stream yesterday. Thank you very much, Jelly. Good to see you live. Hey, cheers, Mr. Miyagi. So how are you doing? I'm doing all good. Just finished school drop-offs. Now I'm back home. Do my thing now. Every morning, brother. School drop-offs first, and then I get to do my thing. Every day. Did you guys see that new Doom? Holy shit, the new Doom looks fun, man. I was watching a few of the new game trailers that were just released a couple hours ago. Now, I've never played Doom, but this new Doom, bro, holy, it looks good. It looks so good. Yo, thank you very much. It's so veiny. Oh my god. Thank you for the T1, brother. We're getting Black Ops 6 stream. I've never really been a big COD fan. But, either I didn't check out Black Ops, I won't lie to you. I only checked out the new Doom. I thought the new Doom looked freaking amazing. And Black Mist is another game that I want to play, the Sun Wukong video game. And I checked out Assassin's Creed 2. But I haven't seen any others. You are a master of your craft. Thank you very much. That's so veiny. Oh wow. State of Decay. I haven't seen any other game trailers. Maybe I'll go live tonight on my gaming channel and we'll check them out. How does that sound? Yo, Mizzy, I'm doing all good, brother. Just it's Monday, you know. I normally ease my way into my Mondays, but I feel good. Bro, that name will forever be an iconic name there, Veiny. I'll put you up there with sexually active gorilla. Stupid Flanders, because I always say like Homer when I see the bro's name, like Stupid Flanders. Up there, who else did we have? Sexually Active Gorilla, Stupid Flanders, we had the Happiest Hippo in the River, Stroking Me Cook, who else? You, It's So Veiny. Who else are some iconic names that have come through? I have a hairy macaque. I like spell like the monkey's name. Yeah. Right on, par. But yeah, those are like the names that are always stick in my brain because they're silly, eh? They're silly, but you know, being the male that I am, like many of the bros here, yeah, I like all the funny names. I remember, I don't know where like sexually active gorilla is these days, but he was funny, bro. He was a funny dude. Thank you very much, Manuel Costa. Did I say that right? Thank you very much. Love the GTA hoodie. Yeah, so this is some of my bros merch. So Lycium is his name, and his GTA character in the GTA. So majority of the time, instead of like buying like Nikes and all that, I like buying my friends' merch pretty much, just to support them. Yo, Ziggy, thank you for the Optimus Prime too, brother. Thank you very, very much, my bro. Basketball or football? Probably basketball, to be honest. I've only just started getting into football for the Eagles, Philadelphia. How hot it is for you? It's winter now, but it's kind of warm. Okay, I don't want to take too long doing too much of this, but we'll start when the hype train's over, and then we'll get into it. So we just finished designing the face yesterday. So we just finished it. I'll show you now. So there. So we just finished this yesterday. So all of that's done. Hey, cheer my bro. Now, if you want to know who did this beat in the background chat, he's right in the chat right there. Brother Smokey. Smokey got beats. You'll always hear me playing his music on the YouTubes as well, and you'll see his name on it as well. Looking good, bro. Cheer, my bro. Jeez, you are pretty, my bro. How are you today, bro? Love your streams. I'm good. I'm good. Just finished school drop-offs and cleaning the house pretty much, and you ready to get into another day of carving. We want to travel I see the Maori tag from your content. We're taking our honeymoon to New Zealand. Any places to avoid? Jeez, there's quite a lot. Whakatane I'd avoid. There's not much to see there. It's boring, but it's very big gang presence there. Oh, there's gang presence everywhere. But me and my wife are going for our honeymoon down to Queenstown in July. Yeah. So I've been saving for that, and I've been saving for possibly TwitchCon in San Diego. Yo, just dropped a little one off. Oh yeah, same boat as me, my yeah, my bro. So I pretty much just play those beats you got. You gave me, and the ones I bought ages ago. Where are they? I wanna play them. Oh, here they are. Boom. Queenstown is one of our big destinations next to the place. Yeah. Same with us, bro. That's a really nice place to go to, from what I've seen. Yeah. Yo, morning, Karaka. Okay, let's get it in. Alright. I accidentally left my voice in the rain last night. Lucky I heard it though. Alright. Yeah, a couple of people in the chat gonna go to Queenstown. Just getting some chisels, chat. Alright. We need... Alrighty, mate. Alrighty. Well, in all honesty, there isn't really much to do here. So, let's show. Which way is our grain going? Okay. Hey, what up, Low Games? How you, brother? How are you, my bro? We'll do, brother Vaney. It's 3 AM in my country, bro. Don't stay up at silly o'clock for me, my bro. The details really good. Yeah, I thought I'd check in a little rapi there. Just as, you know, paying homage to the uncle. Because that was the first design he taught me. Wonder if it'll sit better in the voice. Hold on. Nearly bedtime. Yeah, go to sleep, guys. Don't watch me at silly o'clock, eh? I want you to have a good rest too. Okay. I appreciate it though, but remember, hey, look after yourselves too. Mr. Mobile, thank you very much for these 6 months in advance as a tier 1. What is going on here, boys? Here we go. Yeah, that'll be better. More secure. So it might be a bit of a slow day today, chat, just with the handle. What's up, Charlie? Jeez, you're all watching at silly o'clock today. So remember, you can go to bed, eh? In the words of Strimmer 5 years ago, you can go to sleep for free. That's the best thing you can do. I've never really molded a handle with a chisel before, but I'm gonna do it anyway. This is so cool. Remember, if you have any questions about Whakairo, feel free to ask. I will give you a brief introduction. So, Whakairo, traditional Maori wood carving, has been around for many years, and it played a big part in my culture too, in terms of passing down knowledge, stories, and just teachings as well. So it's our form of storytelling or recording history, because we had no written language, okay? You want to come to the UK? I'll show you around. God bless you. Show Mr. Miyagi. Now I gotta ask to the fellow UK people, what's a zombie knife? Is it like a dirty knife? I'm J-Man. Thank you very much for the 5 months as an Optimus Prime as well. Thank you very much. Do you make these pieces to order in gallery, pretty much? And do them in my Crocs. Alright. Yeah, I don't normally use a chisel, but I can't find my rasp, eh? Hey, appreciate that, brother. Tommy Cairo? Kia ora. I should find it though. Let me have one more look. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Do not mistake this rusty old thing. I have carved many taiaha with this. This was given to me by my grandfather, and so I kept it. It's like a beautiful day out there today. Hey, what's up, Mr. Mobile? Kia ora, how are you? TwitchCon? Question mark? Hello from Sweden. Hello. Yeah, I'm gonna use this rasp. I don't know, just, you know, molding a handle is a bit too weird for me. Old tools, this, yeah, bro. A lot of my tools that I use are quite, you know, been through quite a bit, and that's just the way I like them, to be honest. Like, it may be a normal rasp, but bro, I legit, this is like a prized position to me. I'm probably not gonna sand the handle. Why? Just making. You can just use a ruler. There has been wrist wrapping. Oh, really? I always wondered what there was, Mr. Miyagi. Che Badanuka. That's our daily helicopter. How's it going, brother? Yo, all good, brother. Yo, all good. That doesn't sound good. What? Try not to go too far. Sure they're long. Okay, might have to put it lower. Hey, what's up, OneNode? My G. While scrolling on TikTok and seeing a bit about you and how they made the right person famous, and I realized I always see you in Solicus Coils chat and other RP streamers stopping by to share some love. Hey, what's up, Classic? Cheers, brother. Yeah, so I'm in No Pixel as well. Appreciate you coming through, man. And shout out to Kevin as well. My character's been hanging with Marcel quite a lot when he's not playing the finals. Marcel, He tries to hang out with Zolo, but sometimes that guy, that guy forgets. And yeah, who knows? Hopefully we can hang out with them more. But at the moment he's just does like material runs for CG. For Marcel, I should say. But yeah, I've been enjoying RP for about 2 years now. Yo! Spankin' Rankin, long time no see, man. Kia ora for the 49 months as a bloody tier 1. Oh, brother. I was watching some of your vids earlier and I said, thank you, man. Appreciate the aroha, my bro. Yeah, I'm supposed to be, after this, I've got to carve, I might be carving TJ Walker. Little passion project on the side that I might do too is try and carve the CG logo, because there was a point where I was RPing where I stopped loving it due to chatters as we do, getting DMs, and it was Zolo, Mateo, and Paris that made me enjoy it again, and a few people from the D&D community too. So I was thinking of just, carving their logo. And I got to meet them at TwitchCon 2 in Vegas, which was cool. Met Garrett, his wife, soon to be wife actually. And met Zola and Mateo as well. And Hutch and Chawa. Hutch is funny, man. He probably plays my most favourite cop in all of RP. Love the Sonic Crocs. Thank you, brother. It was the first game I ever played. But I was still playing Sonic 1 through like PS1 cycle. Didn't come from a rich family. But yeah, bro, I was spamming Sonic. I like coming in and then disappearing. Sure, my bro. I hope you're doing well there, brother. Looking after yourself. Just putting this towel in there just to protect the design. I gotta go have a good stream. All good, brother Willie. Have a good one, brother. Appreciate the order on my bro. Visual. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Alright. Yeah, so we'll get a rough shape out of the handle today, and then we will go to from there. Let me take my hoodie off because I'm getting hot now. I was playing a little bit of a Red Dead RP last night too. Going back into the server I play on sometimes. It was fun. I forget how nice and chill the RP in that game, Gimme. Better gonna die, so see you later. All good, brother. Comically large wooden spoon. got quite a bit of timber here. How's your day been, man? Ezra, it's been all good, brother. It just started, actually. But all in all, brother, it's been a good morning so far. As you all know, I'm a morning person. I like to win the day on the morning side of 12 o'clock. And that's how I've always been. Hey, thank you very much for the raid, King Sussy. Get this done. Woo! What are you making? We're just currently doing a pedal, brother. Just molding the handle a little bit. I'll show you now. So this is what we've done. All of that. Pretty much. And now we're just doing the handle just for today. It'll probably be like a slow, chill one. Sub Hawaiian. Like it'll be more like most of the main stuff is done, and it's more so focusing on the handle. Sorry, Chet just heard someone at the door. We good though, we good though. But yeah, so this design is called Taratara Akai. It took inspiration from Kai, who did not have the best looking teeth. He was an ancestor from back in the day. Good question. So what got you into wood carving? So this isn't any like normal type of wood carving. This is done by my ancestors in days of old too. So it was a way for our ancestors to pass down a lot of our knowledge too. Like this isn't some, you know, normal woodworking art form. This was a way of recording our history too. and you know, all the trials and tribulations my ancestors went through in order for us to have it today. That's one of the reasons why I do it today. Because our our people were they were trying to oppress us too. There was an act of parliament that was passed called the Tohunga Suppression Act, where basically they made it illegal for us to do anything within our culture. Obviously it didn't last, but yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I keep pushing. And for our rangatahi, our younger generation who might pursue this. So outside of the stream too, I've been fortunate enough to go and speak to some up and coming woodcarvers, which has been a very cool experience too. Yeah, so with that Act 2, there was a point where, you know, they were trying to make us lose our identity. Another thing that hit our people too was the big generation gap of the world wars. So all the people that, you know, were meant to teach the next generation didn't return in. So there was that as well. So it was almost lost, pretty much. But yeah, that's why I keep pushing to this day. And another reason being is to honour my uncle's legacy too. Now that he's passed, it you know, it's something I have to do with my life in order for his legacy to live on through me and the few students that he had. Pretty much. So yeah. Hopefully that helps my brother. You Francis 2022 bro, and but I want to let you know what you're doing right now is amazing. Keep it up and much love to you, bro. Thank you Menoka Thor. Cheers bro, brother. Cheers brother. One note, it's been going. Is it going to be carved on the other side? Normally they are, but because my uncle didn't do it, I probably won't. I'm not really, I don't want to outshine him, eh? Because that's what it'll feel like to me, trying to, you know, outdo my uncle's work. So my uncle didn't design the back, so I won't either. If that makes sense. Yeah, I just don't want to be that guy. How did you start learning to carve? Always been interested. So my uncle is a traditional Maori woodcarver, and he introduced it into my school. So I've been carving since primary. But yeah, ever since then, brother. So my uncle was pretty much the foundation for me to, you know, start doing this fully. And yeah, it all started at the age of 12. And it's how long I've been going for, pretty much. And will continue to do so. Boom, boom, boom. But at the moment we've done all the, you know, all the nitty gritty stuff, all the majority designing, we've finished all of that. And now we're on to like just the little stuff, like designing the handle, and then it comes to the end of the handle that I have to design next. Pretty much. And they're pretty much done from there. Wearing socks with them. Yeah, oh, they just feel comfortable, eh? Like normally, if you've been in the stream for a long time, you'd know that, you know, I used to wear like gumboots all the time while I carve, but no, Crocs are the way. Yo, thank you very much, Kerandras, for the Optimus Prime. How many days are we on that we've been hitting sub goal? Is it 6? Are we on day 6 or 7? I can't remember. Hi, Brox won't be in the stream long today because I have my... No. You focus on that. You already know, focus on your exams more than the stream. All I'm doing is molding a handle today. You will not miss much, okay? Focus on your tests, please. You already know the go. Very proud of you, my bro, and keep going. Keep going, my bro, keep going. Alright. Cowboy, bro. That's the one. This is beautiful, thank you. Yeah, so to those that are new, we are carving a hoi, or a pattern. And well, we've done all the nitty gritty stuff, and at the moment it's just doing the handle. I just all the light stuff. Morning TikTok, how are you? Yeah, I'm still undecided on whether we should carve something on the top of the handle yet. What's this craft called? Whakairo. Maori wood carving, brother. Maori are the indigenous people of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Girl, darling, I can't get enough of your love, baby. Girl, I don't know why. Can't get enough of your love, baby. So I'm just putting in all my lines for this handle section. and then I'll get back to you. So I do apologise if I'm missing comments. I just wanna get these lines put in first. Alright. How are we doing TikTok? How are you today? What type of wood? Tōtara. It's a tōtara. What's going on here? I have no idea what the bro is saying over on YouTube. How are you today, the TikTok? Thank you, Jovan and Steven. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get this handle out of the way. And we'll be soon. There's going to be a lot of looking away today, so I will probably miss things, and I do apologise for that. I need to finish editing the video today, upload that. I haven't seen this man since his one live info long ago. Oh really? Far out, this is a bloody long time, brother. Thank you very much, Francie and Miwi. Is that how I said? Did you finish the other one? The other pedal? I didn't start one. Thank you, Scorpio. My uncle finished one, and I'm just finishing or trying to finish the other one. Like, he didn't get to start the other one pretty much. Unfortunately, he passed away a couple of weeks ago, so hence the reason why I've got the commission of his to finish up now. As I mentioned yesterday too, this is a bit of closure for me. Bit of closure for me of his passing as well. And yeah. Thank you, Francie and Miri. Okay, I just want to make sure I keep up with all three chats. Thank you very much to, hey, Bruce Lee, for the 5 bomb. Thank you very much, brother. I appreciate that, my bro. And also right behind him we have Jackie Show. Did I say your name right, brother? Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime team, my bro. We'll get in there. We'll get in there. Yo, Francie, bro. Holy. Thank you very much, brother. Oh, bloody sergeant. There's a secret squirrel. Thank you very much for the 10 bomb, brother sergeant. Right, the day hasn't even started and we almost smashed out the sub goal. I don't know what's been going on with my channel too. It's been setting the sub goal to 100. But I've been taking it off because that feels... I don't know why it's doing that. It shouldn't be. And I feel like, you know, I don't want to be that guy. What's up, Panda? In the bloody Albus? Francie, you're still going, bro. Holy. Yo, Spankin' Rankin, thank you very much for the 5 bomb. We have officially hit sub goal for day 6 in a row. Far out, we've almost hit a week. Bro, that's Nutty Professor, bro. Holy. Thank you very, very much, guys. And also to you, Francie, with the 1,000 plus roses on TikTok. Oh, boy. He's going hamburger on a bloody Monday morning. Alright, how does that feel? Get in there. Bro, Francie, bro. 4 grams. I love the Crocs, thank you, brother. Yeah, I've only joined the Croc train for about 2 years. In the words of Mariah Carey, all I wanted for Christmas was Crocs. And the wife came in clutch with some Crocs. And I have not looked back since. I have not looked back since. Far out, Francie. You're absolutely crazy, bro. Straight up. Yo, Peanut and West Texas, thank you very much as well. Can we get some Dub Francises in the chat? Who's your favorite NRL team? It's always been the Cowboys. I just go for the Cowboys pretty much. I know they didn't do too well over the weekend, but that's just how it goes sometimes. I've just been a fan of the Cowboys because of Jonathan Thurston. He's been my favourite player for bloody donkeys. Burn, burn. You're the rock dude. No, I'm not Coke. I need this guy today, so glad you're live. Hey, welcome on in, bro. If you want to talk about it, feel free to, bro. Joined in from TikTok. Hey, appreciate that, my bro. Yeah, just know that, you know, if you're here in any one of the streams, whatever silent battle you're going through, just know that you can speak about it here. I'm no Dr. Phil or a psychiatrist, I'm just, you know, someone that's willing to listen. And try his best, you know, give him advice. Just remember, if you are listening, you're not alone. And the best way to progress is by speaking up about it. Here, if you like. Thank you very much, everyone on TikTok. How are we doing though? But every time I see these coins, it reminds me of Casey Tron. Is there a way to order? So normally I don't do much stuff outside of Maori wood carving. I try and keep it, you know, within my culture pretty much. I'm not really out here trying to, which has been requested before, Android 18 with no clothes on. I've received emails like that. Would I carve it? Probably not. Sometimes I just troll them and say Miruko's way better. Yeah, it's I've had a lot of requests like that before. Can you carve this person, this character with no? Oh, I'm like, bro, come off of it, mate. Bro, straight up, you'd be surprised, guys. You'd be surprised. Clink, clink. Alright. Hey, thank you very much, Bubs. How are you today, Brooks? Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I had a good sleep, you know, as you should. Got my kids to school and pretty much pushed live straight away. We did a bit of a cheeky weekend stream just on Sunday yesterday, and it was good. So if I end up doing streams on the weekends, they will most likely only be 2 hours long. I don't want to go over that. Like, I gotta remember, I still want to try and like keep my weekends for my kids. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Have a run, you know, simple shape. Thank you, George, and oh, how do I say that name? Xavier, is that it? If I said that right, is it a cricket bat? Oh, jeez. How's being an adult? Good, good. So that's a day. So we've done all of that. So we finished all the main parts. Just not the eyes. The eyes get done last. Yeah, so this is all we've done so far. This is all of that. And now, yeah, we're just slowly but surely setting up the handle. What do I want to do now? Oh, that was loud. Thank you very much to Panda for the biddies, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Let me just set this up. We're gonna chip away a little bit. Dope shit. Thanks, brother. I had no other t-shirts, so I just had to wear this. I normally just wear these shirts to the gym these days. Is that sitting? Okay. Clang, clang. Hold on, chat. Just setting up our voice. Let's see. All right. It's weird trying to maneuver more than one camera, ain't gonna lie. Alright, how we doing, TikTok? He's all good? Holy shit, there's over 3K people here. Well, I ain't gonna lie, I haven't had those numbers in a long time on Twitch. I'm more washed than wash dishes. Alright, so we're gonna do this part here. So just to get the general shape going. Thank you very much for the gifts, guys. I hope you're all good though. I hope you're all having a good day. That's the main thing, eh? And don't forget, don't forget to eat breakfast, lunch and dinner. If you eat well done steak, oh, that's rough. That is rough. Thank you very much for the Aroha TikTok. Bro, there's 5.3k people here. What in the actual is going on? TikTok has always been a streaming service on steroids, I ain't gonna lie. Holy, what's going on? Thank you very much, Bad Moon, for the 3 months in advance. And then we have the man Jordan with the Optimus Prime mini figure with the 100 biddies, and also Lil Beefy gifting a sub to Rody. Kia ora, kia ora. What's going on, bro? I'm actually quite shocked. Also, it was a while since I remember you streaming so much. Could also be that I haven't been. Yeah, it's all good. How often do you carve, bro? I'm carving like every day, except the weekends sometimes. Every day. But with Matariki coming up, so if you don't know what Matariki is the Maori New Year, when the star constellation Pleiades starts showing up in the night sky, and I'm planning to do a Matariki themed stream just to teach you a little bit about it. There's like gonna be some shows here and there, and I want to take you guys to see one. Hopefully, there's like a drone show too, but a drone show doesn't really teach much in my opinion. Wow, thank you very much, guys. Cam 2. What does that mean? I don't have a second camera. I'm not good with the code words. Eh? Thank you very much, Jeffrey. And Lil Beefy again. Holy. Sorry, chat. I'm very unfamiliar with the code words. You gotta meet me halfway and give me the whole word. Thank you very much, Uzi and Jaden. Oh, you got a galaxy. Oh shit, sorry. Thank you very much for the galaxy, brother. I do apologize for missing that. So Cam 2 means that. Thank you very much to Jackson as well. What in the hell is going on, bro? Bad Moon, thank you very much for gifting a sub too. Hello to the brother Snowy Master on YouTube from the UK. Hey, it's late over there. You should go to bed soon. If you're watching at silly o'clock, please go to bed. I know we all wake up looking like Hagrid in the morning, but you know, try and get early sleep too. Thank you very much to Taylor Lewis, Dark Label, and oh, look at this fancy guy with the italic username. What was that stuff down there? Yo, he used to make my phone lag. Holy. My phone's like lagging out. Thank you very much, guys. I've never seen my phone lag before. It's very, very weird. Yeah, man. Bro, I've never really played a Doom game, but their new Doom game coming out looks fun, bro. It looks way too fun. I think I just like seeing someone, you know, get bashed by a shield chainsaw thing. What are you making? So we're carving the back of a hoi, a paddle. At the moment, we've finished like all the design work. Like finished it all, smashed it all out, and what's left to do is just the handle and the very end of the handle too, which I'm still trying to decide whether I should kind of like do a head on the end of it, kind of like my uncle's one, or just keep it simple and do something simple. I'm still unsure at the moment. Thank you very much to we and oh jeez, these are too fast, man. Okay. The other side looks awesome. Appreciate that, my brother. Any tips on how to carve letters? Just want to make them a little shelf too. Oh, bro, I just carve within the letters I write on the wood. It's pretty much as easy as I can say it. Pretty much. I'm not good at explaining things. Like if I was to explain something like now, like draw a letter on the wood and just carve it out. It's as simple as it is, if that makes sense. But yeah, once again, my explaining is very not very good. Like italic writing is easy to carve, because all you'd really need to do is like carve the whole letter and just cut the thick sections of the letter deep, in my opinion. So it wouldn't necessarily take like too much in terms of doing the actual thing. Does that make sense? Yeah. Hey, what's up, Social Club? Damn, Jason and Mr. Robot. So where's everyone from on TikTok, YouTube and Twitch? Bro, why does my phone keep going off? Netherlands, Sweden, Albuquerque. We have Ireland. There's quite a few people from Ireland here. The United Kingdom on YouTube. Thank you, Kate and Ha. Wales, UK, Norway, Samoa, Florida, Seattle, Germany, Norway. Quite a lot of people from Europe, eh? The UK, America, and Europe are the two main like countries in my analytics. They watch the streams quite a bit, like a lot, or like just countries within Europe as a whole. But America is definitely the top one. Is my headset flat? Oh. Heard of Vegas. You going on Nebraska? Oh, true. Vanuatu? Oh, mean. Where are you from? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Right down here in the southern hemisphere, next to Australia. I live on the North Island, aka Tika Maui. The great fish of Maui that he pulled out of the sea. And if you want to know what we call Australia, we call it Te Pāpakanuia Maui, which translates to the giant crab of Maui. He didn't actually pull Australia out of the sea. We just say it because it's Australia. And sometimes when I say this, some Australian mates are like, "Oh, you fucking listen to him, mate. We ain't some fucking giant crab, mate." We ain't some fucking giant crab from your fucking ancestor, mate. You dog. I just say it because I like listening to them, how their Australian friends, how they talk when they're upset. Serbia, thank you, Brando and Spencer. You're the best. I'm trying to be, I should say. I'm just want to be a good example. That's all. Yeah, not out here trying to be, you know, top streamer in the world or anything like that. Just a good example. Well, most of Europe, yeah. I watched that video of Steve Sunny with the turtle. I didn't realize Steve Irwin had a turtle named after him. I thought that was pretty cool. Oh. Alright. Good enough. Hey, thank you. And Spencer and CJ. Sorry guys, I gotta try and keep an eye on it. Eh? I get too into my work all the time. And I'm missing your guys' aroha, which I do apologize for missing. Which way would the grain be going here? Up. Thank you, Spencer and Anthony and Austin. You need to call out everything. No need to. Oh, I just feel bad if I miss it though, that's all. I feel like I'm not acknowledging people. Does that make sense? Yeah. So I'll try and keep up with you guys as much as I can. Then we have... Hey, what's up, Jeffrey? Looks crazy good, incredible work. Thank you, bros. Yeah, just trying to get a relatively good flow on the handle for now. And then after this... Oh, I'm going against the grain top side. Okay. Pencil? Where's my pencil? There we go. Okay, got it. Guys, let's push bro to 600. Oh, is that the likes thingy again? Has you ever thought about doing Tamako? Not really. It's not really a realm I've been interested in doing. My heart's always been within Whakairo, like always. And I think now that my uncle's passed away, that's where I'm keen to remain, pretty much. Plus, when you make a mistake on the wood, it don't talk back. What's your favorite food? Free food, brother. But if I had to choose, sushi. It's one of the main reasons why I like Timber Chat. You make a mistake and then talk back to you. Thank you very much, guys. 646 member. What does that mean? Is there like a area code gang? Sorry, I don't know too much. Thank you, Jonathan and Big Grey Man. Yeah, I'll be honest, I don't keep up with number stuff. I didn't really like maths in school. I passed it somehow, but I hated it. I remember when the teacher said an equation and then they chose me, I said, no deal! And then the whole class just laughed. No deal, say it! Surprised I even passed science as well. And I remember one high school kid got angry because like they studied pretty hard for science there. I didn't really pay too much mind in my science class, but I knew like all the elements and whatnot back then. Can't remember them for a bar of soap these days. And when I got top of the class at prize giving, there was a bit of a porotehi, a bit of a protest by one of the students. And the teacher did like a quick fire question. Hey, he goes, oh well, if you feel like you deserve it more, what's the 33rd element in the periodic table? It's asking it. I said it casual as, and the guy looked at me and he's got pretty mad. I went, how do you not know that? That's the funniest element on the periodic table. And then the science teacher went, that's why he got it, because he knows straight away. But it's got us in it, you can't forget that. Yo, thank you very much, Focus, for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, brother. What's up, Kanaka United? Thank you very much to Sam Turner and Aya. Mahalo. Hey, what's up, my Kanaka? How are you? Alright. So once we've done all of this, I'm probably going to scrape it with a ruler. Remember, a ruler is not only used for measuring, it is used for scraping. You will see what I mean when we get there. Oh my gosh, what are you making? We're carving a paddle, my bro. Thank you very much for the biddies, brother. Do you find carving therapeutic as watching it shores? I would say it's how can I explain this? I definitely feel at peace when I do this. I would say. I guess anyone would when they, they find something they truly love in life. Like those moments where, it doesn't feel like a job, eh? And you're keen to do it every day. It's kind of how it feels for me. And will continue to feel like that until, I can't pick up any tools anymore. Because that's how long I see myself carving, to be honest, until, my hands can't hold these chisels anymore. So what games do you play? At the moment I've been playing a lot of RP. I'm just getting back into Destiny with the new update. I stopped, when did I stop playing? Ages ago. But yeah, keen to get back into Destiny. Unite my fellow Crayon Eaters. And I'll be looking to get into finals. One of my bros plays the finals, and I'm pretty keen to try it because there's like a samurai update coming out, and I thought that was pretty cool. I thought that was really cool. What exactly is it though? It's just the pedal. You can't see most of it because I'm kind of trying to focus on the handle right now. Do you make all those designs on the front? Yeah, so all the designs that you see are all designs that have been passed down through the generations. It's all traditional work. Do you play finals with an American? No, I haven't. But the bro that does play the finals, who told me to download it, lives in America. If that counts. But I haven't actually, jumped into it fully. I'm just, I find Fortnite kind of bleh right now. And Overwatch too. I've gotten quite bored of Overwatch again. Is the bro's name Ruben? No, his name's Jar Jar. Jar Jar Blue. Yo, Shin and full stop. Thank you very much over on the top. Yeah, no, I haven't played with anyone called Ronan. It's probably someone that's, got the name. I can't be everywhere to make sure I get my name. Even on Discord there was this random going around trying to be me. Like trying to get free stuff. And then I messaged him on Discord. Then somehow his Discord name became I'm Innocent. I was like, bro. El Bozo, bro. You should try X-Define. I've seen that. What's it like? Is it a very high FPS or high skill kind of game? So remember, I don't really play games to be the most sweatiest bugger in the lobby. What about everyone on TikTok? Do you guys play the X-Define thing? I've seen it floating around, but I personally haven't looked into it really. Thank you very much to Vega for the Optimus Prime. Bro, did you see that M. Bison's coming back too? Need to try it more? Oh yeah. That looks sick, thank you brother. You watch anime? I read it more these days. The only one I've been reading is One Piece. All my TikToks will be a dead giveaway because I play Big Sake all the time. If I ever had to choose a theme song that would play for me in life, it would be that. I love that song. What sort of wood is this? Native timber tortara. So it's similar to Californian red pine pretty much. Pretty much, good sir. Doing Toki. Wait, what game? Shit, what game were we talking about? You need a video editor on YouTube? I just do it myself. I want to try and learn all that stuff myself as well. Because it's pretty fun. I just like a simple one, eh? I don't really try and have all the flashy stuff on it. It's not really my style. Something in the way. thank you, Louise and J-Dog. I'm trying to make sure I keep up with comments too. What are you making? Looks like it's amazing. So, what I'm currently doing right now, so as a whole, this is a Hoi pedal. More of a decorative one. It's not going to be used to like pedal in the water at all. It's pretty much just for a birthday. It's more of a decorative piece than to actually use. Yo, what's up, Alexander Robinson? How are you, brother? I'm gonna sneeze. Oh. Jeez. Sorry about that, guys. Love your work. Thank you, brother. You can't really see what's going on, but all I'm doing is just trying to mold everything. Mold everything real quick and then we should be good. Woo. Alright, other side now. Hey, it's Huds. Thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. So do you do content creation for your job or making and selling pedals? Commissions, content creation. I don't really make much of YouTube, but I just want to make sure I put videos out for everyone. That's the main thing. Like subs on Twitch are a thing too. What else am I missing? And sometimes donors, but you know, I don't really tell people where the dono button is anyway. If you find it, you find it. How do I put a commission in? I normally announce when my commissions are open. They're currently, they're still closed for now. I do apologize. Did I take that right to the... No, I didn't. The way I feel. Alright. Was this one? There we go. So I'm just trying to get this handle out the way and then we can carry on. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. That's the main thing. But it's hard to keep up with a TikTok chat, eh? Holy cow. Especially on a little screen. I give it up to people that follow it hardcore, eh? Mind you, most people are kind of looking at their chat most of the time, eh? Me, I gotta make sure I'm cutting in a straight bloody line first. Sorry about that. Hello, WM0083, is that what I saw? I think that's what I saw. My dad does what you do, mate. Oh, does he? Oh, che. I think I'll take a page out of Joe's book. See, thanks to this. Hey, that's the one. Have a good sleep, brother. I think I'm gonna head to bed. All good, brother. Yeah. So after this, I still gotta do my uncle's commissions because Within the commission he had to do, there's like 3 pieces that he had to carve. This is the second. Then I gotta do the third. But I'm like, it's all good. Like, I'm not stressed about it. But yeah, cheeky bugger. Big ass work haul. But in all honesty, no matter how big or small the commission would have been, like I wouldn't hesitate to say yes anyway. Would have been like an insta, yeah, I'll do it. Even though this is a commission, I'm not getting paid, okay? All the money from this commission is going to my auntie to help her out. I pretty much just said then and there, like, don't worry about giving the funds to me, just give it to auntie. I'm just fulfilling my duty as my uncle's student and finishing his work. So yeah, once this is done, then I'll get back to the commissions that I have to finish. Well, that's kind of how I saw it anyway. Yeah. What's your auntie need? What's the auntie need the money for? Oh, you know, my auntie just lost her husband. And this was one of his commissions. So I just said, give the money to auntie and I'll do the work instead of giving it to me. I can still see shit that she's going through it without even asking, so it only made sense to give the payment to her. Yo, righty party, what's up, my brother? Thank you very, very much for the 44 months, my bro. Most of all, how have you been, brother? How have you been? Thank you very much to At for the 300 plus roses. Bro, if I had that much roses on Valentine's Day, I'd never be in the dog box. But I'm cheeky, so I do end up in it. Thank you very much for the hot air balloon. Yeah, so that was one of the main reasons why I didn't want to accept the payment for this commission. So I'd rather see it go to my auntie. You know, I know at the end of the day, you know, you can't survive on love, but sometimes love is all we need. It's not rocket. It's a long time, yeah, my bro. How you been though, brother? Hope all is well with you. Yeah, my bro, all is well. Kids are getting bigger, starting to not listen more, as they do. And just planning, my bro. Planning for honeymoon, but also trying to plan for TwitchCon. Trying to put TwitchCon on the agenda. Boom. OMG, it's him. It's you. How are you? Does anyone know when the Final Fantasy Online expansion drops? The Dawn Treader? Dawn... whatever? The boat one? No, brother. What's up, brother? So how do you do likes on TikTok? Do you just continue like tapping the screen? Is that what Spider-Man guy got married at? Oh, mad at? Thank you very much, that guy, for the galaxy. So I remember him saying there's 11,000 people here and no one's tapping the damn screen. Is that it? Is that what it means? Holy shit, we're at 1 million. What the hell? Drive by. Thank you for the Optimus Prime. We've officially hit 40 out of 30 on the daily sub goal. You've blown the back out of my sub goal for the 6th day in a row. And over on TikTok we hit 1 million likes. Holy crap. Imagine if you could hit a screen and all those likes turned into money out of the phone. Oh, bro. Me and my family will have a house and my mum. Thank you very much for the 1 million likes, TikTok. Kia ora. And Mickey and Josh. We made the right guy. Is that a meme? Everyone's been saying that. Is that like a new video? Because even my nephew was saying there's like a video of you and Ninja. I was like, oh, me and Ninja. I don't know why, but he'll clap me in Fortnite, but I feel I can lift more than him, I guess. I don't know where I was going with that. I need to find these people that are sharing the videos so I can say thank you to them. Dude, I dropped 100 likes fast. So did you just do that 100 times? Bro, my finger will probably have abs on it by now. Far out, that's a lot of clicking. Don't do it too much, you might get carpal tunnel. Then you end up like that fellow scary movie. Take my strong hand! Thank you, Trapper and Roy Haynes. And no one can eat your mashed potato. Already have carpal tunnel. Oh, bugger that, eh? Wee. I know one carver who has it because he push cleans too much. So like kind of what I'm doing now. That's how he used to clean his carvings like off the rip, and he got carpal tunnel from it. Hey Mateo, thank you very much for the galaxy too, brother, and notorious CIP. Yeah, man, I don't understand how it feels like carpal tunnel, but I heard it's not great. Yeah, so this is all the stream's going to consist of today. Carving more handles than Kyrie. That's on the agenda today. Will now you see me carving this goddamn wood? All you do on these goddamn streams is touch wood in the morning. Wait, going against the grain. It's all feeling it, eh? Feel the handle. What's the handle for? So you can hold it. That's normally what a handle's for. Sorry to repeat myself, but how much would this usually cost? I don't know. This is kind of small. I'd probably like between maybe 6 and 8. $600 and $800. because it's small. It's kind of what I'm judging it off. Simple design. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Yeah, something like that. Hey, much love the losers over on YouTube. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, that's how much I'd charge this for. Not a ridiculous price. Alias What are you making? Paddle, brother. It's a relatively short one. I don't normally do like little compact ones like this, but I'm kind of going off my uncle's blueprint. I'll go and get it. So this is my uncle's one. So this is the one my uncle did. Project Reap, thank you very much for the brand new tier 1. Welcome to the stream, my brother. I had to remember I have to convert that. Oh yeah, USD. Dommy Mommy TV. Or TM. Thank you very much for the raid. God damn. That's a name right there. So this is my uncle's one, guys. So he did a fiku. So that's what this form of the shape is called. Showed on Twitch as well. So yeah, that's the only reason why mine's the same size. Normally I do a hoi much longer, but and more sleek. But I'm kind of going off his mold. That's the mold like I'm going off. And the end of the handle as well. Yeah, so this is the one my uncle did before he passed away. How goes crafting? Good. It's did mention that it's gonna be a bit of a chill one today, because all we're doing is the handle. But all in all here, all is well. Hope everything's good with you too, Dummy Mommy. Sorry, I have to say it like that. God damn. Oh. I forgot I have to do the puzzle thing before TikTok shuts the live down. Lucky. Holy crap, I haven't seen you since... Oh shit, I just missed their comment. Seen you since the pandemic. Yeah, bro. You get a nice ring to it. Dummy Mommy. So what I'm trying to do is like get the flow off here a bit more. So that's kind of what I'm concentrating on right now. And underneath as well, and then we'll take off the majority of the handle. So that's kind of the game plan right now, is just to get all of that done, and we should be good. Yeah, all in all, it's looking good. We're on the right path. We on the right path. Yo, Real Prodigy, how you, my bro? Thank you for the 4 months, brother. Good to see you carving again. Thank you, my bro. Yeah, so couple months ago, I decided to stop gaming on my channel. Only when it comes to activations or like sponsored stuff, I'll do it. Because gaming was taken away from what my channel was truly about. So I made a gaming channel instead. Love the work, bro. Thank you, brother. Wait, is this the guy I'm thinking of? Yes. My name's Joy McClure. You may remember me from such films as... Nah. Thor, Love and Thunder. That is Cap. It wasn't me. Are you the guy? Ah, shit. Bro, you're going too fast! Thank you, Domino's. Oh, Domino's sounds nice, but I'm on a diet right now. Kia ora, bro. Pyrography, is that like the burning art? No, I haven't, but I used to watch one of my boys do it. I actually have 2 of his pieces. So I bought one and I won a commission on his stream. I'll go and get them. I wanna highlight his work on stream. So, one of my bros, he's a wood burner, and he obviously does wood burning on timber. And I ended up copying one of his pieces, and I won a commission on his stream too. And yeah, this is what I won. Oh, this is what I bought off him. So I ended up buying that piece. So he all wood burned. He lives in Canada. So I'll show you Twitch now. So this piece here. Yeah, so I bought that off him. So there's this piece, and when I won the commission on his channel, he asked what's something you want me to carve. So these are just things that I want to put in my office when I hopefully get one day. And the second one. Okay, how am I going to get the second one out? The second one, they're all like protected too, so don't have to worry about anything. Okay, I don't want to drop it either, so I'm gonna be careful. And this is the second one. If I can get the bugger up. And this is the second one he did. So that one there. So he's on there, Gold Roger. Gold Roger's one of my favorites. And I asked him to do Gold Roger. Yeah, so there's his tag there. ADH Degenerate, that's him. I think he's on Insta as well. He's the other one, guys. I was just buzzing because it's on like timber, eh? Never knew about wood burning before and well, yeah, that's the one he did. Yeah, I've had these for like 2 years now, just, you know, waiting for the day and get my own office to stream in. I actually don't stream in an office when I'm inside, it's in the living room. Okay, I'm gonna put these away for now. Yeah, that's what mainly I've been doing, guys. Why aren't y'all looking? People are all good, they can chill out. It's not a rule that they have to like. You can't chill out and just watch the stream. Thank you very much, Biggie. Yeah, don't Pizza the Hut, thank you very much for the T1. Pizza the Hut. What's up, Daniel? Yeah, it's not like a must. Everyone can chill out if they like. Everyone can chat. Yeah, thank you very much, Biggie and Wesley. Got banned from Twitch. Oh, really? Oh, I had him up. He was streaming last week. Oh, I think. But I know he's busy IRL too, so I doubt he I know he's on Instagram too with his work. He did this one cool as like armored titan piece. It's pretty detailed, eh, for wood burning. I was buzzing out. Yo, what's up, Savannah? Kia ora. Coming to Hawaii, what do you think? Oh, I'd love to go to Hawaii too. I don't live in Hawaii, by the way. Make you laugh. Hope the family is doing well. Don't forget you're an amazing streamer, but most importantly, a good man. I appreciate that, brother David. David Buchanan. Bro, that's a name that belongs in Red Dead, my bro. Now, have you seen this David Buchanan film? Alright. Oui. Oh my god, sculpture. Wait, sculpture from Sekiro? Bro, I haven't played it. I'd love to play it one day. I just don't have the time to play much games right now. Even roleplay feels like you know, you got to dedicate a lot of time to it. It's like an MMO even. It's the reason why I don't really play in any other RP servers. I know there's like a big car update coming out soon, which should be fun. Got my I need to work on my Mop Remix character on WoW. I just haven't really had any time for games lately, to be honest. You making another pedal? Still the same one. We're on like the last leg of it all, pretty much. Last bits of it now. Kozo. Hey, what's up, Roy? Thank you for the 1 year. Oi. Thank you for the 1 year of Aroha. Pehea koe, Roy. Alright, you just can come over here. It's always hard to keep an eye on like 2 different cameras. Hope you're good. Yeah, my bro. Doing well. Just been, I won't lie, I've just been enjoying being a dad, brother. Been enjoying it. My kids have gonna have their first look at EJJ today. Hopefully they like it. I know my youngest will, because she's a little rough kid. It's pretty much Donnie in a girl's body sometimes. But yeah, hopefully they enjoy themselves. My youngest is also getting into hockey too. The difficult part so far about being a dad is my eldest. She has a kind heart too. So when it comes to any sport with contact, she doesn't like it. She's ever since she was born, like as she got older, she didn't like it when people were even play fighting. She never liked seeing it, and she kind of holds on to that, and now that she's turning 6 too, but in a way I love her for that, because it reminds me a lot of myself. I hated seeing family argue when I was young. There's it's not so much trauma, but in a way if I look back at it, I think I was a little bit traumatized by conflict when I was young. But yeah, nowadays not so much. It was more so when I was with my dad. So my mother and my father didn't last long together when I was born. Oh, when my sister was born, actually. Yo, what the hell? Thank you very much for the 2 years. Oh, hey. Thank you very, very much, brother. Thank you very, very much. How are you though, my bro? Yeah. Yo, Red Daddy with the 34 months too. Far out. Thank you very much as well, brother Red Daddy. It's been a pleasure watching you grow. Thank you, brother. It's been a pleasure, or it's more of an honor having company. Definitely, that's been the highlight of this journey, is being able to, like, you know, make genuine connections with everyone. But yeah, when my sister was born, my mum and dad didn't last long together, and I got the brunt of that in my childhood. I guess in a way too, it kind of shaped me to be who I am. Like even living with my grandparents and my mum. Fuck, that's loud. Oh, bro.
Pixel tipped $4.20. Just cause you're the best.
Yeah, thank you very much, Pixel, for the $4.20, my bro. Bro, that's always a long notification, man. Thank you, brother. Yeah, it's supposed to be loud, so it gives us a fright. Yeah, it's an all, my bro. Yeah, so when my mum and dad separated, it was I guess you could say, growing up, you see like vulnerabilities, and in a sense, seeing that too. Yo, thank you very much, brother Richard. Thank you, brother. Sorry, there's a bit of a bump here. Seeing that too made me, you know, not want to be like him, like what he did. And yeah, I'm still kind of shaped me to be who I am. Like at the same time, you know, when I was raised by my grandparents, I used to get kicks up the ass all the time, which I'm glad I did. So I didn't turn into a complete dickhead of a child. Well, yeah, growing up, majority of my life, I was an only child. And you all know, like, I envy those that have siblings, because that's a feeling I'd like to know what it feels like, if you get me. If that makes sense. Hello from your Irish family. Hey, what's up, brother? Yeah. Hello, brother. Hey, what's up, brother? Hello from England. Kia ora, kia ora. What are you building? Just doing the handle for this ore, or hoi. So that's all we've done. So that's all we've done so far. I'll most likely make this handle a bit more thinner But yeah, that's all we've done so far. You can see. Looks really nice. Oh, thank you. Yeah, one more look. So you can see in the face there's about 3 different faces too. If you cover one, so you can see the side profile, the nose and the eye, brow and the head, and show the full thing. Shows the whole face. What does it do? It goes to a birthday to celebrate someone's birthday. That's all it's gonna do, really. It's not gonna be used to, like, you know, put in the water and use it like a normal paddle. No. Purely decorative. To celebrate an individuals who's, I don't even know how old they're turning. They haven't even told me. Yo, thank you for the airplane, Anthony. Thank you very much, brother. It's a giant spoon. What I need to think about tonight is what we're going to put on the end of this handle. Holy guacamole! Peanut! Thank you for the 5-bomb, Peanut! Yo, thank you very much, brother! Yeah. Alright, let's put cheese up. Hi, TikTok. Let's have a bit of a break because my back is sore. Thank you, Peanut, for the 5-bomb, brother. Alrighty. Yeah, it's not gonna be used to, like, put in the water to. It's just purely for decorative purposes, if you will. How old were you when you started? I was 12 years old. 12 years old when I started. Now, how you doing, little boy? Yeah, so, I'm not really sure what we're gonna put on the top yet. I don't really want to do a head like my uncle's. I kind of want his one to outshine this one more, if that makes sense. It's just purely because, you know, it's my uncle. I could put a head on the top, but I'm thinking I might just do your normal, is it pommel? I don't know what to call it. Like, it's the normal end, but I'll design the whole thing. That's what I'm thinking anyway for the end of it. Mo te toinga o tēnei hoi. Thank you, Darius and Lalo. I finally found him. What's up, Theo? How are you? Yeah, I think YouTube's gone a bit quiet on us, but that's all good. Hey, what's up, Warbear? Yo, Twitch, I gotta ask, because I was tempted to put it at 50 today to see how it goes, but I think I don't want to be that guy at the same time. What do you reckon, Twitch? Thank you, Itachi and Darius. Yeah, I think after today, I want to finish editing a video, then I'm going to go to the gym. Holy Darius and Mr. Worldwide as well. Damn, Mr. Worldwide. Wow, we smashed this today. Far out. It's like the 6th day in a row. Are you the guy who asked, hey brother, it's me. So, for a little update, so 4 years ago that happened. Now I have changed. I've mentioned it before, but it was my grandmother that convinced me. If people do get upset about that, that's fine too. Like if people want to unfollow because of that. Always happy to help you. Probably the most wholesome dude on Twitch. Oh, jeez, brother. I'm just a dude. Yeah, I'm just a dude. Is it a real? It won't be used for like, you know, how all is normally used. It's gonna be for a birthday. So here's one. So this is my uncle's one. Yeah. So those are mine and my uncle's. There you go. Yeah. So it's just mainly yeah, I just want to showcase my uncle's work more than my own, you know. Yo, Silent, thank you very much, and Chris. Oh, Silent again. Thank you very much, my bro. Love from more Tautahi. Kia ora, bro. They started blushing. Who? Thank you again, Silent. Who started blushing? Thank you for the duck there. I was. Is that was that what it said? How long have we been on for today? I can't even see my screen. Thank you very much to Thane for the Optimus Prime. How long we been on for now, Twitch? I can't even see my screen because the sun's on it. Oh, 2 hours and 11 minutes? Oh, yeah. What's in your hand? Ahoy. A pedal. That's a good. Yo, Ray, thank you very much. Alright, thank you very much for the 5 bomb on Twitch, my bro. Fuck. These are going nuts these last few days, man. I appreciate the aloha. And everyone on Twitch too, and on YouTube. Kia ora, kia ora. Can I order something, please? At the moment, I have no spots available. So once I finish this one, it's straight into the third piece of the one commission, and then eventually I gotta start drawing up a friend's Grand Theft Auto roleplay character. So that's on the card, so I'll draw that up, and then I'm gonna do Whakairo, which is an instrument. And I have to start setting up for Matariki, which is the Maori New Year. I want to do something within Matariki. Thank you, Amy. Kia ora, bro. He's here. I'm here, bro. Sure. Yeah, so we've just been moulding the handle of this. There's still but way too much timber there for my liking. But we'll get to that eventually. Yeah, way too much timber. Thank you very much too. Envy Bite, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. But yeah, so I'm still trying to figure out what to do on the end. We'll see what I do. I actually want to design it more than do a face like my uncle's one, mainly, but I'm kind of doing it as I go along pretty much. Thank you, Ellen and Harry. Oh, my phone is getting flat, is it? Hold on. I've been going through so many rough patches lately, but seeing your content makes me think better. Whoa, Brendan McFarlane. Congratulations for making it this far, eh? Just think of all these tough times you're going through as your life That's life testing you to make you stronger. Because at the end of the day, when we get through these rough patches in our lives, we get stronger, eh? That's how I see it. So good on you. Keep going, and well done for speaking up about it. To me, there's nothing wrong with speaking up. I don't want people here, whether you be Twitch, YouTube, or TikTok, to think that they fight their silent battles on their own. So just know that you can talk here. It's all good. We're all human. I'm human. I'm just a human that likes a lot of sushi. But yeah, just know that, bro. You're not alone. Especially if you come into any of my live streams, just know you're not alone. Just made you some burger in the air fryer. I've only just started using the air fryer. All I've made is, well, all I've cooked really is hash browns. Hash browns and eggs. I had hash browns and eggs this morning. But yeah, most of all, I just want you to know that, eh? Like, I know this place is a very, some people treat it like it's their safe haven to come and unwind and chill. Just know you can speak up here too, like if you're feeling some type of way. I probably won't help you, Brox. How do I pull this many girls? Why not? My answer would be, don't ask me. I only got one girl for a wife. Not girlfriend, she's my wife now. I only want one, not heaps. Yeah. Thank you, Rowan James. What does their treasure chest mean up there? What does that mean? Is that surely in-game loot? Yo, Jacob, thank you for the 2 months, my bro. It's for coins. Ah, would have been a TikTok t-shirt or something. Yo, TikTok, if he's watching, can I have a t-shirt? I know they sell them at like the dodgy stores in town, but can I have an official one? Yo, Levi, thank you very much for the galaxy. Wait, you just subscribed? You can subscribe on this? I thought you just do roses and all that. Yo, Hound with the 5 bomb as well. Holy cow. Bro, Twitch is going nutty, bro. Same with you guys too. What did you make? Ahoy. Thank you very much to Hound and everyone on Twitch. You just blew the back out of my daily sub goal again. So that's all we've done. So at the moment we've just been moulding the handle pretty much. I'll be honest, I'm just taking a break so I can rest my back. That's why I'm standing up right now. Yeah, TikTok. Can I have an official TikTok t-shirt from you instead of the one from the flea markets? What's your ethnicity? I'm Maori. So we're the indigenous people of New Zealand. Well, Aotearoa as I should be calling it. Hold up. Ugh. Minecraft. I played Minecraft. What the actual... Pizza Hut with the 10 bomb. But if you got a gifted sub on Twitch today, please give the bro a thank you. Please, please. Far out, bros. What are we at now? Holy shit, we're on level 5 hype train too. Bro, what the hell's going on, bro? Hi, how are you? I'm good. I'm getting slightly on the hungry side, but I'll be fine. Yo, Jacob Michael, thank you for the 5 bomb as well. You always have a relaxed weather if I found your stream. Keep up the good work. Thank you, Pizza the Hut. I'm imagining Jabba the Hutt as a slice of pizza. That would make a good piece of art. I ain't even gonna lie. Thank you very much, Hound, for the 5 bomb as well, bro. We're all 85 in total. What the hell? Today. And I also see Theodore in there as well. Much appreciated, brother Theodore. Thank you very much, Hunt and Moonblast, and is it Fameka? Jeez, that's a hard name, eh? What's the time for you? It is currently 34, sorry. What do you think about Jub? What do you think Jubba tastes like? Probably sweat and soot. Do I have to open this treasure box? Do I click on it? It's got a 2 on it. What does that do? I don't want to... Should I click on it? What's Vegemite taste like? Rubbish. Marcus, thank you very much, brother. Do I click on this treasure chest? Yep, okay. Oh, it's got 2 minutes on it. I missed it. Do you like rugby? I love rugby. Wait, you guys get free tokens or me? Can I just give them to you guys? Oh, I've never liked Vegemite. I did one subathon a year ago, and it was the wheel of so it was like hot sauce, dry wheat bix, and Vegemite, and a few other things. And yeah, I had to spin it twice, and it landed on Vegemite and wheat bix, bro. There was dry reach for days, bro. It was disgusting. Kia ora, ngaio. What's Kev's up to? The gifts are tokens for you? Yeah, can I just give them to you guys? I don't want them. Kiwis eat both. Yeah, nah, I don't like it, eh? So, they should make it a way, so, like, if you don't want your token things, you can give them away. That'd be a cool feature. I think that'd be a cool feature. Yo, Zombie, thank you very much for the brand new T1. And who's that? Hound for the biddies as well. Fuck, the Aroha today has been crazy. You can gift other people with them. Oh, can I? Oh, cool. I'll just do that then. Yeah, because I'd rather give them to people than me. Oh, on there. Oh, yeah, kind of like what she's doing now. Oh, okay. Okay, alright. I'm gonna look for someone's live this evening and just give them all to one person. Can you do your traditional dance, please? Main reason why I won't do the haka online is just, you know how the online space can be. I'd rather not, to be honest. Yo, Ray, have a good sleep, brother. Oh, Ray, sorry. Yeah, my back's getting better. Claim it. Nothing's happening. Oh, you got 100 viewers can collect their coins by opening treasure box. Oh, there. So open it. 3 coins collected. Okay, there we go. I think I did it. There we go. So I can just give them to anyone, right? Might look for a Polynesian live streamer. Thank you, Alan, or any of my friends that do like TikTok lives. Oh, I know one of the VIPs on Twitch does TikTok lives. Maybe I'll just give them to him. Thank you, Alan. How old are you? I am 32. Turning 33. Yeah, I turned 33 in September. Highest level hype train I've seen. Wait, what was it on? Hold on, hold on. Oh, level 6. Do you have any kids? I am a girl dad of 2. I get my nails done every day. I have tea parties every day. I color in every day too. And sometimes we play wrestling. I roughhouse my kids so so they don't cry if they get bowled over. Yeah. They're about as stubborn as I am, But what happened with Twitch? I'm live on Twitch right now. I'm dual streaming, so here, Twitch and YouTube. Alan, thank you for the 500 plus roses, you absolutely crazy weapon of a person. Cheers from New York. New York. What's it like living in New York other than it being busy and living like sardines? Watching you a while back, wanted to know if you still play Overwatch. I've decided to stop playing Overwatch. It's not my cup of tea anymore. Yeah, I'm kind of bored of it. I didn't even finish my battle pass. That's how much I got bored of it. From Kansas. How do I make a chest? How do I do that? Does anyone know how to do it? Yeah, how do I make a chest? I don't even know how to do it. Aloha from Molokai, Hawaii. Hey, kia ora taku kanaka. Gift, treasure box. Okay, where's gift on the screen? Is it in more? Is it in live gifts? No. Oh man, it started to get. Oh man, I get that it started. Yeah, like not really feeling Overwatch anymore. How do I make a chest? I don't even know where the chest is, to be honest. Where's the chest icon? What's your parents like, Brooks? My mother raised me majority of my life, so I was raised by my mother and my grandparents. Yeah. Like my dad was around here and there, but he was in my life majority of the time. Thank you very much to Hound for gifting someone a sub, brother. Yeah, so I was raised by a single parent most of my life, and yeah, when she wanted to go study, I stayed with my grandparents pretty much. Go into gift box more. I see live gifts, is that it? Live gifts? Gosh, this is so confusing. Nice beard. Oh, bro, I need to cut it or do something to it. Yeah, well, thank you very much to Elementary with the 50 months. Holy. Cheer, my bro. Another 50-monther. So love dropping into your streams. Appreciate you, Elementary. Cheer, my brother. 50 months, bro. That's a bloody long time, bro. How many years did you do for wood carving? I've been carving since I was 12 and now I'm 32. Yeah. So we've been going for a little while. And we'll continue to do so till, I can't do it no more. Yeah. Studying for finals, okay. Just make sure you study more than watch, okay. I want you to ace your finals, bro. Normally, when people are studying, I time them out so they focus more on their studying, but please do so by focusing more on study, please. Because I want everyone, like, outside of the stream to succeed. It's cool when people, like, viewers come back and then they talk about, you know, their achievements outside of the stream. And I'd say that's one of the most, like, satisfying feelings ever, is when you come back and say, you know, I passed this test, I got this job, I got, you know, yeah. Just getting W's, yeah, outside of the stream. Those are the things that mean the most to me. What are you carving today? We just finishing up for the day, actually. We ended up doing that. So we're just molding the handle for this now. Yeah, it's not really much of a handle to it, but just working with what I got, really. So that's a do. Are you Filipino? No, I'm Maori and something else. I don't know what that something else is. Yeah, but Maori, 100%. How tall are you? I'm not even that tall. I'm 86. Yeah, I'm not that tall. Feel like he's our Maori dad. I've never been called that before. Where are we? Thank you very much, Monty, for the roses. Tēnā koe, brother Monty. League C5 number 2. Daily number 37. What does that stuff mean? Yo, Jay. Oh, fruit platter would be nice right about now. Damn. Ah, that'd be so nice. Fruit platter. Thank you, Sashi and Degrantes. And Chris Lujan and TX Slick. I hope I said that right. Bro, what's happening? We're just winding down for the day. We did a bit of carving today. Just molding a handle, really. Nothing too technical. We've kind of smashed out all the technical stuff on the current carving that we've done, or that we're doing. And then eventually after that, I've got to start focusing on our next piece. Yeah. But at the moment, we're doing a hoi. I'll show it again. A pedal for a birthday. So one's been done. I'm just doing the second one. So that's it there. Just nice and simple. Wanted to keep it relatively simple. We've just been molding the handle. But that'll go down even more, to be honest. And yeah. Hope you's all good on YouTube. I don't even know if anyone's watching on my YouTube channel, to be honest. It's gone relatively quiet. Sawmill. Who? My name? Leo? Did you know your nickname translates from... Did you know your... I know how my nickname translates from... to the Russian word. No, Liso. Your nickname is translated to the Russian word. In English it can be translated to sawmill. Oh, true. Wow, that's pretty buzzy. Cheer, my bro. How's he doing? I'm doing good, brother. I'm doing good. It's yeah, we got a lot of work done. There isn't really much left to the current carving that we're doing. I'm gonna start focusing up on milling this next piece of timber that we have to do. I'm gonna cut it up. And yeah, they didn't really give me much of an idea what they wanted for the next piece. Welly and a bad day. Thank you very much as well. As Abba Dabba, I just can see Fred Flintstone. Yeah, they didn't give me much info of what they wanted on the next piece. They just said a giant manaya, which is a figure that has the body of Brox. Are you married? Yeah, I've been married for about 2 months. I don't wear my ring when I'm outside. Yeah, 2.5 months. Many arguments, you know. Got any tattoos? Yeah, I do actually. I'll show you. I've got a tamoko, which is like our tattoos that we have in our culture. Yeah. I haven't shown it in a while actually. So this is my arm. Oh, it's tight sleeve. Yeah, so this is it here. So this is my moko that I have on my arm. It represents my family, where I'm from, and traditional Maori wood carving. So normally where I begin is at the top. So over here, this is, where are we? Well, it's kind of small on a on a phone. Eh? So over here, this is my mum. This is my grandfather. So that's my mum. My mum over here, Twitch, over here. Hey. So that's my mum there, my grandfather and my grandmother. So that's my grandfather there and my grandmother. Then two very pivotal figures in my upbringing in my life. At the back here, you have my youngest daughter at the top here. That's my oldest, and this is my wife here. So this is my immediate family, and this is my very own family at the back here. Underneath, this is my sister who passed away when I was young. Hence the reason why she's underneath, because you know you can't see her in the present day. Over here, chat. So there's my youngest up the top here, my eldest, and my wife. So when I'll get a divorce, nah. So throughout my arm too, I'll just show TikTok first, Twitch, sorry. So throughout my arm you'll see this design here, it's called Uno Nahi, which represents the water and fish scales and carving. To tie to my story, it's called Ngāhuru Manu, in the moko realm, which represents, you know, the birds. Where I come from, it's real rural. There's like birds, dense forests, and mountain ranges everywhere, and hence the reason for the representation of birds on my arm. And throughout my arm too, you'll see a lot of these solid straight lines. So there's one there. So the straight lines throughout my arms, they all represent the mountains at home. So once again, talking about all the mountain ranges that surround my home, and all the kōwhaiwhai in between, they all represent the rivers that flow through my hometown. So all of them, pretty much. So yeah, it's pretty much in the middle of nowhere, a place called Ruatahuna, pretty much where I grew up. And then you'll see one of the main focal points on my forearm is the popo here. So this is a two-dimensional carving: the head, the body, the arm, the legs. Thank you very much, Leftovers and Dallas, for the galaxy, and the head down the bottom there. And if you, oh yeah, sorry, once again there, Twitch. So there's the head, the arm, the body, the legs, and another head down the bottom there. So that's in there, and the abalone seashell, which is the eyes, right there on my arm. So that's what my arm represents. I wanted it to represent those things. The one who did it was my cousin Te Wehi Inc, all the way from Ruatoki. He lives here too. So I just told him, I wanted to represent these things. I didn't give him a set design, I just told him go hard. and he pretty much put it all together. Then it took around about 3 days, like three, two, oh, 1 7 hour session, 1 5, and 1 4. That took long because we talk a lot of shit. That's why we just a lot of yaps going on while the work was getting done. Yeah. And I remember on the last day I got my tattoo finished. That's when I bought my PS5. Thank you, Zeus. I remember that day too because I was bleeding bloody white blood cells in my on my clothes. But lucky I had the wraps on. I was like, nah, man, I saw PlayStation 5 available. I'm getting it. Yo, Hound, thank you very much for the gifted, my bro. You got all my t-shirt. Yeah, I haven't seen this t-shirt in ages and I had no other t-shirt to wear, so... How do I get one? Go to a tāmoko artist here. But I would say, look at their work before you decide. Thank you for the ducky, or for the swans there, Zeus. That's my advice to anyone that may want to, get their moko. Yo, Charlie the Shrimp, thank you for the 4 months, brother. Yeah, I got my arm done when I turned 30. Main reason why I got it done when I was 30 is just saying goodbye to my 20s. The next chapter of my life was starting, becoming more of an adult. I'm still a cheeky bugger. Are you still on Twitch? Yeah, I'm live right now on Twitch. Had to make it to 90. Thank you, brother. Thank you very much, everyone on Twitch too. It's been crazy. It's been crazy. I don't know if I should set this a little bit higher tomorrow. I don't know, but I appreciate everyone for hitting the goal like 6 days in a row, pretty much. You still play WoW? Yeah, I've been playing WoW Remix. I haven't really had the urge to play Cataclysm. Like, I've got an 80 ready, but I'm like, do I want to sit there for that long? Yeah, I haven't really bothered, but I've been enjoying Mob Remix, pretty much. More than what? Oh, it's still 5 minutes. Morning, 4 minutes to go. Thank you, Rick and Jackin. Did I say that right? Yeah, I got a bit burnt out on the classic stuff, eh? Yeah, it's like I tried it, but it's too. Yeah, I'm just not in the mood for it. I'm ready for War Within though, and I see that their Wukong game is out, or that Sun Wukong game's out in November. Doom looks sick next year. What else? Assassin's Creed, November. A lot of good games coming out this year, but not so much time. Thank you, Rick. Holy brother. Seems like as I get older, I have less and less time to game. But yeah, I'm getting a bit of freedom back as my kids get older too. Play Elden Ring. Yeah, I finished Elden Ring. I'm looking forward to the expansion, is it? Hey, what's up, Red Umbra? Thank you very much for the raid, my bro. Hope you had a good stream. Kia ora to D and also Jordan Letzi. Kia ora, kia ora. Yeah, when's the expansion for Elden Ring coming out? Jay Umbra, how are you? How many platforms am I streaming on? Just TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube. I do the green one, but I don't know how to link that, and the green guys do not have a good reputation, I would say. But I still got love for my boy Trainwreck though. Thank you for the window, MPR. Shout out from the UK. Kia ora, brother. Do you ever play games with your kids? I'm trying to make sure my kids don't become iPad kids. So I either rather do like colouring and stuff without the TV or any electronics on, or we just go outside. Like this weekend, we ended up going for a walk. Yeah, I just don't really want them to be iPad kids. You know, rotting their brains while it's a beautiful day outside. Yeah. They can do that shit when they're old enough and they get their own jobs and buy their own iPad. When they can do that, and I'll go, go hard. Just make sure you finish your homework. What in our team do you support? Just the Cowboys. The Cowboys, brother. Yeah, that's always the... Thank you very much, Rick. That was always the one thing that I was wary of when I became a dad, is making sure they don't become electronic, you know, Fortnite kids. Gone are the days where kids used to play outside and then they had to race home before the street lights turned on. That's the, you know, the upbringing I had. You know, running in the field, jumping on the sheep, getting a horse and going for a ride. That's going down to the river and looking for eels. That's the kind of life or childhood I want them to have. Like, my youngest is into, like, it's random as, she's into like food gathering, like hunting and all of that. So when she's older and she can, you know, use a gun properly, then I'll teach her how to, you know, live off the land. But until then, she can just, you know, not worry about that kind of stuff. I am teaching them about gardening though. They want to do some more tomatoes and sunflowers, pretty much. Where are you from? I'm from Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. How's your day been going so far? Good, my bro, good. Got up some mahi done today. It's we're at that point in the carving where it's almost done. Yeah. So yeah, that's some there. So it's mainly just trying to get this handle up there now. And then we carved the last part there. But yeah, it's yeah, going good, my bro. Yo, G-Tam! Chill, my bro. Yeah. Best rugby team in the world. I'd be an idiot if I didn't say the All Blacks. Yo, John, thank you very much for the galaxy. Yeah, I'm gonna be biased and say my own country. Queensland or New South Wales, I won't lie. I like Queensland more just for Jonathan Thurston. That head high was crazy, eh? That head. Yo, Rick, thank you very much for the, bro. They're going crazy, my bro, straight up. Where are you from? Yeah, Aotearoa, New Zealand. Hey, what's up, John D over on YouTube? Who's your favourite soccer player? I don't really watch soccer. I feel like you can breathe on the ankle and they're gonna go, oh! Yeah, I think it's not for me. It's not for me. Lego Union, more Union, but I've just started getting back into NRL again. Yeah, bro, you throw a feather at the ankle and it somehow breaks. Yo, young little glitch, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. You watch MMA? Not so much only when Max Holloway fights. He's one of my favourite fighters. He has been for a long time. Holy Culkin, thank you for the Cloud Heart thing. Are you French? No, my bro. Closest thing to French I will be is looking like an unfit Jamal. Who was my favourite French player? I ain't gonna lie. It was hard. Celtics or the Mavs? Bro, I haven't actually been watching much NBA. WNBA is where it's at, my bro. I'm on Caitlin Clark's side, man. I ain't gonna lie. Is Roman Reigns your cousin? No. Do you watch boxing? Not so much. I think it's a joke that Jake Paul wants to fight Mike Tyson. Yeah, absolute bloody joke. Yeah, no, I was just used to play prop. I was much bigger than I used to be. Like, yeah. These magnificent creatures are the props. I was there. Thank you very much, Maelstro and Joff. Hey, what's up, Shawnee? What's up, my brother? Saw your moment a couple years ago. Hey, it's Joe, brother. How you been going, bro? Good. Just getting back into training again, my bro. I need to. But at the same time, I don't want to because it's cold. Well, I hope you're good in Australia, my bro. Oh. Thank you very much to Sergeant Nowak for the 100 biddies. Kia ora, bro. Yeah, we're just winding down for the day and chilling out before we go our separate ways today, guys. Nah, you're all good, bro. Have a good day, my bro. Have a good day. You at the shooting range? No, I haven't been to a shooting range in a while. And I follow you on my gym page. Hey, all good, my bro. Yo. Yeah, I need to wrap my head around this calorie deficit stuff here. I've been watching evidence-based training dude. He's cool. I like that guy. Yeah, I definitely like that guy. He's straight up about it, eh? Anyone told you look hella handsome today, my guy? Not my wife, that's for sure. She didn't say shit. Oh, it's starting to rain. Shit. Are you Samoan? No, I'm not Samoan, brother. But at the end of the day, you know, I love you. There's a bit of plastic flying around. Put that in the truck. Don't leave plastic on the ground. Put it in the bin. Can I marry? No, you can't. I'm already married. I'm not looking for another one. What are you, Thanos of marriage? Fine, I'll do it myself. This man has max on. No, I need max agility. Runs into the corner, does it Oblivion style, starts spamming jump. Hey, Iggy. Do you prefer Pick and Save or New World? Wherever's cheaper. Yeah, that's a different question. Pick and Save or New World. If it's silly o'clock in your country, please go to sleep. Hey, what's up, brother? Sorry. How are you, my guy? Hope you're good, my bro. Not your ethnicity. I'm Maori, so the indigenous people of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Hey, rugby ball. Yeah, I really want to go to the gym today too. I need to try and wake up early in the morning, so I can get 2 sessions in one day. Sessions. Are you a samosa? No, I'm not a drink. Get game in your opinion? Shit, I don't know, eh? Street Fighter? Always like Street Fighter. 1 a.m. over here. Yeah, if it's like silly o'clock where you are, please go to sleep. I'd rather you go to sleep than watch me. There's always gonna be another day. You still do wood carvings? Yeah, we just finished up for the day. My phone's probably gonna go flat soon, so most likely be the end of the talk stream. There might be one day where I might try and do a standalone TikTok stream as well. We'll see if he's like that. Where I feel. I'm gonna go to sleep. Yeah, that's the one. Go to sleep, eh? Don't watch me at silly o'clock. I want you to go to bed. Blah, blah. NRL team. Just the Cowboys. Yeah. Are you from Auckland? Hell no, I'm not from Auckland. Quite the opposite to Auckland, actually. I come from the sticks or the country. Dropping in to say hello. Hey, brother. Why the Cowboys? Jonathan Thurston is my favourite player since I was young. Like even when they won in 2015, one of my bros is a big Broncos fan. Eh? I was gonna get you know those people that like being in public walk wearing a dog collar and being pulled by someone. I was gonna get a dog collar, well, a human collar. One collars that humans like wearing and spray painted maroon, and get a Broncos insignia and put it on and give it to the bros. They're choking since 2015 because they choked in the last final. Eh? Yeah, I was gonna send that to him. It's one of my good bros from Auckland. We got him a Pokemon mouse pad for his birthday. I don't know if he still likes Pokemon, but yeah. Yeah. I thought we'd do that. Yo, hard hat cheer, my brother. Thank you for the 6 months, my bro. Off my fucking ass off. That's evil. It's reality. That's how long the Broncos have been choking for. Absolute mad lad. Where are we? Thank you very much, Trunk and Andrew. Hey, much love, CT Crunch. Speaking of Crunch, is Captain Crunch even nice? When you're going back to the hills, I don't know. When I feel like it. At the moment, I don't really, have the desire to go home. Unless I want to take my kids up there. Hey man, how are you? I'm doing good, brother. How are you? It is starting to rain a little bit, so we might finish up soon. Can I see a wooden mask? I don't have any, but I've got a pedal. This is a hoy we're doing right now. Honey. Gritty at 2 mil. We are not hitting 2 mil because my phone's getting flat. A 30-year-old man doing the gritty. I don't want that on my bingo card, to be honest. Not on my bingo card, my bro. And there we go. My phone is officially at 5%. Well, TikTok. It has been an absolute pleasure, like always. I appreciate everyone tuning up to TikTok today. We peaked at like 5.7k viewers. Fuck, that's crazy. I haven't hit numbers like that on Twitch in years. But I just want to say, Namihinu kia koutou katoa. Marco, thank you very much for the flowers and accident as well. I am going to finish up on TikTok and carry on a little bit longer on Twitch. So feel free to jump over to Twitch or YouTube. We will be currently streaming still for a little bit longer. But much appreciated. I'll figure out how to give these like gifts, coins away to you guys. I'd rather give them to you than me. Makes more sense because you guys are on TikTok more than I am. Normalize logging off after work or after whatever you do with your day. We nearly hit 2 mil likes, so I hit 5% battery and we're not going to last that long. Yeah, so I'll see you later. Yeah, I'm gonna finish the live here. Yeah, sorry. I don't have a battery pack. I'm not trying to look for a battery pack. I've got one somewhere in the house somewhere. But yeah, for now, much appreciated. TikTok. Feel free to jump over at any time, and I'll see you around. Eh? Ka kite. See you later. Okay, man. How are we doing? Twitch, send you a battery pack. No, you don't need to do that. I know I got one somewhere in the house. I know there's one somewhere. I just have to find it. Yeah. Hey, you too, brother Hardhead. If you're dipping out, my bro. Do you make custom orders? Not really, my bro. I stick to Whakairo. Yeah. What's up, the dog on YouTube? When the dog comes out, arr, arr, arr. My partner keeps running, bro. It's when their phone goes flat and you have the obligation, or that you have to give your phone. I was like, bro, look after your phone. That's all it comes down to, brother. How's your day been? It's been bloody nuts on TikTok, on Twitch. It's been good to have YouTube up too. I was not expecting any of it today. Well, I don't really expect it at all, to be honest. I just expect to get some work done for everyone. Well, iPhone's just as bad. I was thinking of making the switch when my phone eventually dies. It's on its way out, but yeah. Once again, I'm the type of person that just uses his stuff till it's like dead, pretty much. I thought you were... No, it's just on TikTok, my bro. Can't leave the OGs like that, my bro. But I've been getting ham on the TikTok videos lately, though. Oh, shit, sorry if I gave you a fright. I almost got taken out by the door on the trailer. I was about 2 inches away from a good bonking. What's up, Kuro? I still use shoes. Yeah, bro. Nah, same. I wish I still had my shoes from 7 years, but my in-law's dickhead dog. My brand new jandals that I had at the time, bro, absolutely destroyed by the little mutt. How you doing, my bro? You all good? Yeah. Just we were working on the handle on the Hoy today. That was the main. That's kind of the main thing that we were working on today. Smashing that out. I feel like it is a bit hard, you know, getting progress done when you have 3 chats open. I'm not gonna lie. But at the end of the day, you know, I'm here to try and show you guys every single thing. Yeah, bro, little bastard. Yeah, bro, as soon as I saw my mangled up jandal in the middle of the lawn, I was like, oh, my foot's twitching. I tell you that much, my bro. What's up, Dirk? Doing good, brother. Don't drop that Dirk. Hey, brother Dirk. Don't drop that Dirk. Hey, everybody, Dirk. I'm sure people understand that you're busy coding. If you, yeah. I do feel bad though. I don't know if it's a thing, but I call it like guilty streamer feeling. That's when I'm not acknowledging people. Yeah. I know I go into my big Z mode and I'm trying to find the board all the time, but yeah. I try my best. I try my best. Also, my bro, I'm going to try my hardest to join. I know it's going to be a lot of months, but I'm down to give it a go. To join the dragon, but I gotta do it with Marcel. It's been cool hanging out with Jar Jar. He's a good dude. He's a really good dude. Alright. Bro, I've been talking like little tugs too. I've been putting the water in the cup. Come and take a ride on my taco. Show me yesterday's wood art. How about I just show you today's wood carving? Easy. We've just been doing the handle as of late. Still a lot of timber on there, but we'll get it off. Yeah. Ooh la la. Speaking of Taco, he's playing, he's actually playing, Valorant. Bro, he's been going in on the Valorant lately, eh? Ooh, ah. Where you off to? Where you off to, bro? Alright, let's look for someone to raid, eh? Who do you want? Any suggestions in the chat? I'll look over who I'm following. I know Taco's on. Oh! Rev Roach is on too. Any suggestions there, hard hit? Bitch. Oh, racing's into the survey. Chain on an access CG. I'ma try my best started. I vow to you. I vow to you, my man. Oh, I just gotta. Oh, sorry, man. Yeah, we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it time on today, my bro. It's been a pretty productive day. Well, I say thank you for everything. Probably don't remember me, but I tuned into your stream every morning when I was catching up due to my grandmother passing. Kept me entertained in the background while I study. Lafizo, I will not lie, my bro. I do not remember the name, but all in all, I hope you had. Fuck!
Anonymous tip $13.37. Cat jam, cat jam, cat jam, cat jam.
That was you, eh, hardhead? Cat jam, cat jam. I love that narrator voice, man. How do I enable TTS? That'll make some funny moments. I do apologize, Tizo. Now that I look at it. I remember seeing your name in the chat in the early days, I do. Not me, but I wish it was. Was it you, Panda? Jane, I'm Alexis CG. Thank you very much, my brother. I hope study has been going well, though. I hope you've been good too. Like, obviously, I understand the loss of a grandmother too. But much love to you, my brother. No one's suggesting a streamer that we raid today. So, we will look. 5-ish months now. Bitch. Oh, Greenish is on too. I haven't raided Greenish. Let's raid Greenish. Quadruple OG. He's a chill dude, and I think he's studying too, right? Yo, Hardhead, thank you very much for gifting a sub to Panda, brother. Also, I want to say thank you very much for blowing the absolute back out of my sub goal. I've only been doing it for a little bit, but we like legit hit day 6 in a row of hitting sub goal. It's not something I thought we'd ever achieve, because, you know, I got really nervous about doing the sub goal too, but you guys were very supportive of it. So I want to say thank you very much for that once again, whānau. Everyone's aroha today has been absolutely bonkers. And that's why with this momentum we have of I'm just trying to go live as much as I can, because, you know, you guys deserve to see every little bit of the stuff that I do here. Truly. Yo, One Tree, thank you for the Optimus Prime, brother. So I want to say thank you very much once again. Bro, 94 out of 30. That got absolutely sat on. That's the best way I can say it. It absolutely got sat on. Oh, sorry once again. Yeah, it's the bloody wind. So once again, whānau, appreciate the aroha. I'm gonna raid Greenish. He is playing some RP as well. And yeah, I'll continue to do the best I can. Remember, apes together, strong. What a wonderful day. What a wonderful day. Do you remember the words of Caesar? Say his words. But yeah, have a good one. Much love to YouTube as well. Thank you very much for being here. I will see you all tomorrow, okay? We'll be back tomorrow. We'll smash it again. I really want to finish this Hoi this week. This week, definitely. Apes together strong. What about Bad AP? Oh, no. I do apologize. Rain's done. I am leaving. Thank you very much for the raid. I appreciate the aroha. But no matter how big or small, it's the thought that counts, okay? Appreciate yous. I'll see yous later. Salute. And go show some love to Greenish. Hey, that's Tabito's emote. See you guys later.